The first ever true collaborative range extender for cobots, the Thomson Movotrak 7th Axis, offers collision detection settings for groundbreaking programming and control benefits. Set the sensitivity during installation per your application's requirements, and the Movotrak motor drive and digital I/O handle the collision monitoring on the 7th Axis. This plug-and-play Cobot transfer unit, or CTU, boasts up to 10 meters of horizontal operational range and is compatible with even the largest-sized cobots on the market. The freedrive programming mode lets you set linear waypoints directly on the tablet using hand movements. Both absolute and relative moves can be programmed. A dual linear unit design offers maximum load and stiffness and allows for mounting in all directions. With its groundbreaking advancements in programming and control, the Thomson Movotrak Collaborative 7th Axis marks a major step in cobot functionality and productivity.